Let's look at part 3 for Say Less, which is the melody or head of the song. It begins with a rest, and all of the numbers are your fret numbers. I know this is a lot of numbers, but the second half is almost a repeat of the first half, so it's not that difficult. And we're on string 2, that's your B string, and the first note is fret 8. So if you could find that note, and I recommend using your ring finger for that. But before we play it, let's say the numbers together in the rhythm, okay? We'll do this with the track. Rest. 8, 8, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1, 8. 8, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. Bottom line. 6, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1, 8. And then we get to the solo section. The melody is over. That's all it is. Now let's try to play it together. Chords come in first. I'm in position, ready to go. Fret 8. String 2. And rest. 8. Take a pause and practice that. Okay, let's practice at 92 beats per minute.
Chords, 2, 3.
Chords. I'm on fret 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 8. Okay, you have to practice that a lot. It's not going to happen in one day, probably. So get to work, get to practice, and don't give up.